Hello guys, welcome to Digital Degs. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to enable the fingerprint unlock on your WhatsApp. So there's this new update that comes with a feature where you can use your fingerprint to unlock your WhatsApp, so there's no need of third-party application for that to happen. So let me show you guys how to do that. You open your WhatsApp first and you tap on these three dots, the option icons, and you tap on settings, then you tap on the account, then after that you tap on privacy. So from here you scroll down and you'll see fingerprint lock, so you tap on it and you enable it. So after turning it on, you set it up the same way you set your normal fingerprint lock. So you just touch it once and it will record. So as you see, done. So from here you have option for automatic lock, so you can either choose immediately after 1 minute or 30 minutes. So I prefer immediately, so it should automatically lock immediately I minimize WhatsApp or close WhatsApp, but if you like you can make it do so after 1 minute or 30 minutes. And also you can choose to show content in notifications while your WhatsApp is locked. So let's try it out and let's open WhatsApp to see. Okay, WhatsApp locked, and as you can see it needs a fingerprint sensor to unlock it. So without touching the fingerprint sensor there's no access to this WhatsApp whatsoever. So you just tap on it and it's unlocked, then I can use it again. So if you do find this video tutorial helpful, make sure you give it a like. Please share and subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload. I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.